Welcome to everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss history, third lesson, World War II. Previous two lessons we discussed World War I and after the World War I. This World War II, one of the important war in the world history. Introduction. The first of the 20th century, 1901 to 2000, during the period is called as 20th century. The first of, which means 1901 to 1950. The first of the 20th century, one of the evidence for this two war, because 1914 to 1918 First World War and 1939 to 1945 Second World War. So, first of the 20th century is one of the witnessed for this two world war devastated the world. Devastated means spoiled the world because of this World War I and World War II. World War I was fought from 1914 to 1918. Outbreak of World War I 1914 and end of the World War I 1918. And outbreak of World War II 1939 and end of the World War II 1945. The country faced many wars, among them this two war referred World War because it was extended areas of the conflict and very high death of civilian as well armed people. So this both wars were fought on several places across Europe, Asia and Africa continent. In both wars, combined forces of Great Britain, France, Russia and United States fought against the Germany. At same time, Germany allies were Italy and Japan in World War II. Causes, cause and effect of World War II. So causes, what is the reason? The devastation, which means spoil the country. So the devastation caused by World War I such magnitude that it was referred the Great War or the war to end all the war. So this World War I, the people referred as the Great War, or it is also called as the war to end all the war. Okay, so this World War I end remaining all the war, or it is also called as the Great War. For this name of World War I. The immediate and primary causes for World War II, which is the immediate and primary causes for this World War II, aggressive military offensive undertaken by Germany, because end of the World War I they compelled to make the treaty, so that again Germany followed the aggressive military offensive and fast developing Japan. The fast developing Japan. So this two reasons for the World War II. Okay. One is aggressive military offensive undertaken by Germany. Resurgent means they developed Germany and fast developing Japan. So this is two reasons for the World War II. This is causes for the World War II. Germany and Treaty of Versailles 1919. End of the World War I, they made the treaty is called as Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles ending the World War I, it was signed in June 1919. Okay, end of the World War I 1918 and made this Treaty of Versailles 1919 and the foundation of League of Nations 1920. Okay, so this Treaty of Versailles June 1919. Among this treaty, they given many classes, okay, many law among them the three important law for among the Germans. Okay, three in particular caused great resentment among the German people. So this law against the German. First, the German was forced to give the territories. The German forced to give up the territories to the west, north and east of the German border. So those territories they should give to the other country. They made the Treaty of Versailles. Germany forced to compel the territories for this west, north and east of the German border. Next one, Germany had to disarm, which means they had to reduce the equipment. The Germany had to disarm, they had to reduce the equipment and was allowed only the very restricted armed force. The German allowed only the very few restricted armed force. Next, as reparations for the war, because who started the World War I? Germany was one of the reasons. So, reparations for this war, Germany was expected to pay the military and civilian cost of the war to the allied nations. Okay, and central remaining country also they have to pay the reparations for the war, but here they compelled to Germany was expected to pay for the military and civilian cost of the war to the allied nations. Germany want to pay the amount because of they started the World War I. So this only they made the Treaty of Versailles. The three important point against the German. Failure of League of Nations. As we studied first lesson, end of the World War I, they started the League of Nations. Okay, 1919 they started the League of Nations. Failure. So what is the reason for failure? This League of Nations. The treaty also set up the League of Nations, an initiative of President Woodrow Wilson of the United States. So this treaty is set up by United States, the President Woodrow Wilson. The League was expected to mediate between countries. So this League of Nations expected mediate for between the countries and take action against which country indulged in military aggression. Okay, why they started League of Nations? For mediate between the countries, and this League of Nations against which country indulged in military aggression. The popular mood favored the tradition isolation by United States. Okay, isolation means they not involved this League of Nations. So United States not involved this League of Nations. For example, if any country started the war against some other country, so this League of Nations, the member of country United States will not approach for this problem. Followed this, many allied nations also determined to maintain the non-intervention. They also not interfere to other country. Okay, if they started any war, so this country will not interfere to the other country. They follow this attitude. So this League of Nations remained only ineffectual international body. So what is ineffectual? It will not work. Only the dummy. Okay. For this League of Nations, so this intellectual international body, this League of Nations not worked because of US and some other allies countries are not participated. If any country participated any war, so that this League of Nations was ineffectual international body. Okay. So this is reason for failure of League of Nations. So finally, this League of Nations. Okay, finally, this League of Nations, it was started 1919, but this League of Nations abolished 1946, dissolved 1946 because end of the World War II they started the United National Organization, so they dissolved this League of Nations 1946. Next, post-war crisis and Germany. End of the World War I, problem for this Germany. Okay, economical depression, the Great Depression, crisis and Germany after the World War I. As mentioned above, three main classes, Treaty of Versailles. So what are the three main causes as we discussed? The first one, Germany was forced to give the territories west, north and east of the German border. Next one, they should reduce the disarm. They have to reduce the disarm and they allowed only the restricted armed force. And third one, the reparation for the war. The Germans want to pay reparation for the war. So this is three main reasons for this Treaty of Versailles. So imposition of the penal repression caused great discontent in Germany. Among these 3 points, the third point, the repression of the war, the Germans faced the Great Depression after the World War I. So the problem which many countries faced in the post-World War I decades. Decade means first 10 years. The 10 year is called decade. So many countries faced post-World War I decade led to the rise of extreme right with they started the dictatorship. Okay, dictatorship means powerful ruler, dominance ruler. Italy, Mussolini. Okay, so after this World War I, the first decade, the first 10 year, which means 1918 to 1928, the dictatorship, which means the ruler, okay, a grand ruler. Italy, Mussolini, Germany, Hitler, Spain, Franco. So this is important, two more questions. So the dictator are Italy, the ruler is Mussolini, Germany, the ruler is Hitler, and Spain, the ruler is Franco. After the World War I, they all raised. The Germany experienced both high unemployment and severe inflation after the World War I, and Germany currency became practically worthless. Because of this war repressions, the Germany experienced very high unemployment problem and they suffered for the inflations. So there are several pictures of 1920. If they want to buy the bread, they have to take the vehicle. That much they should take the amount. Okay. Wheelbarrow means the vehicle. They have to fill fully the wheelbarrow amount and they should buy the bread. So like that they suffered for the inflations. So this was blamed only the reason for war repression, which Germany was forced to pay the final analysis after several rounds of negotiations. Okay, so what is reason for this inflation? Inflation, the reason is because if they want to buy the bread, they have to take wheelbarrow vehicle. That means they should take the amount, then only they can buy the bread. That means they suffered very lot because the people thought the only the reason is German forced to pay the war reparations. Okay, it is the reason for the Germans suffered for the Great Depression for this inflations. Next, recap what we discussed in today's class. World War I was fought from 1914 to 1918. Outbreak of World War I 1914 and end of the World War I 1918. And outbreak of World War II 1939 and end of the World War II 1945. The treaty also set up by League of Nations. They taken the step President Woodrow Wilson of the United States. Okay, he taken the steps to started the treaty and they founded the League of Nations. And Germany experienced both high unemployment problem and severe inflation after the war. And the Germany currency became the practically worthless because this Treaty of Versailles, they compelled to pay the war reparations. It is the reason the Germany became high unemployment and inflation after the war. So end of the World War I, first decade, first 10-year dictatorship. Okay, they started the dictatorship in Italy, the ruler of Mussolini, Germany, the ruler of Hitler, and Spain, the ruler of Franco. Next, read and learn the following. Give the continuous number. Question number 66. Who are the three prominent dictators of the post-World War I? Next question. How did Hitler get the support from the people of Germany? So this is your question. Read well. I hope you understood this session very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.